Wind energy today, fresh air tomorrow. Luang Boda is an expert at building a wind tower production line. So come on and join us. Let's work together.
Boda welding column and boom manipulators are the most versatile pieces of equipment associated with sub-arc automatic welding, offering the precision of even the most highly skilled welder, but with even greater consistency. Boda manipulators can be designed or programmed to duplicate the same procedure without variation, as well as weld sequentially different procedures on the same weldment. They can be adapted to operate in pick-and-place application, as well as plate burning, painting, and arc gouging. Boda welding manipulators offer 8 basic manipulator models in a variety of sizes and capacity ranges. Each can be customized for specific applications, such as simple straight line or circumferential welding. Custom designs for extra long reach and extra heavy loads are also available, as well as a telescoping boom option when space is limited. All Boda manipulators are available as pedestal-mounted, motorized, or fixed boom machines, and can be mounted on a freestanding base or motorized travel carriage for mobility. When do you need a Boda column and boom? When welding large plate sections or long seams, when the piece or part is of a thickness that would require